Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
And you're chit-chatting, and then you're doing stuff, and then you end up not watching the game, but Debbie has like a separate room where you watch the game. In the other room, you do other stuff.
Well, we have the game in there, too. It's like a 10-second delay, so you hear like everybody cheer. And then...
Are you still deciding what you want to serve for Super Bowl Sunday? Well, here to help. We're going to spice it up for you. Our Super Bowl spread looks fantastic already. We have our friend Debbie Kornberg in the house. You say you do look this a lot. I mean, this is kind of your thing.
Yeah,
you want to go to your house because this is where the food is, right?
Yeah, I know it's going to be good.
What are your must-haves?
Must-haves is some type of dip.
You got to have
the nosh, noshing.
Yep.
So we'll start your far right, people, our far left, is just some veggies because we want to be a little healthy.
That's your healthy. Thank you. That's your healthy. Your healthy option.
A little hummus with some olive oil and
correct
spices.
Me if I'm wrong. That's always the dish that seems to be always kind of like
left.
Yeah, like everything else gets eaten, and then there's always that.
Then there's always a lot of veggies.
But that's okay because that dip is what it's all about. What's on top of that? That looks amazing.
It is our smoked paprika.
Oof.
Yeah.
So
and
good.
Some olive oil.
So
some of our olive oil.
All right, what else we got?
Okay, so we have a football fun tort.
Oh, I was going to ask about the tort. Yeah. Football fun tort. Yes.
So puff pastry dough, thaw it out, cut it in the shape of a football.
Cute.
And make sure you punch holes in the dough because otherwise when you bake it first, it'll rise and poof. And if it rises a little, you can poke it out.
You don't want it to poof.
No poofing.
No poofing in your football tort.
Sauteed mushrooms. Yeah. I've got some Emmental shredded cheese on the bottom and some sliced cheese on top. You can bake that, but...
That's also healthy. Adjacent.
I mean, if you eat the top part, not the bone. Yeah.
We're trying to play one.
Okay. This is pretty healthy.
This is like, wow, eggs.
Eggs.
Debbie, eggs.
I know. I splurged for you guys. I know.
It was like $10,000.
We're going to be auctioning them off here after this segment.
They're already on offer up on eBay right now, these eggs, by the way.
The Amazon, it's coming on the Amazon.
Exactly. That's cute, though.
So, so it's just a little fun if you have a couple of eggs to spare.
Okay. Wait. Did you make yourself giggle and laugh? What just happened?
Because I realized his baby. Okay.
I do this to people. I have this effect on people. All right, forget the eggs. What are we making this morning? Let's get to the part where you're comfortable doing stuff in the kitchen, man. I won't make you laugh anyway. Go ahead.
Okay, we're making pretzels.
Oh no. Even the camera guy's laughing and he's jiggling the camera.
Okay, I'm pulling it together. This does happen to me. Sorry, folks. I'm back.
Happens to me
you're
all the time.
watching. I hope you're laughing at home.
Yes.
Okay. The eggs are just deviled eggs with some plant-based ground beef, a little mayonnaise on top for the footballs.
Cute.
Okay, we've got pretzels. We've got a beer cheese sauce.
That smelled so good when I walked into the kitchen. That's when I said, wow, what smells good?
Do you want to taste it?
Sure.
Yeah. It's hot, so don't burn your mouth.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm wiping my eyes. We have... Okay, so we're doing that.
We're having a good time.
We're having a good time. It's really easy to make the pretzels right here.
Oh, Debbie.
I know, that's the stuff. You could dip everything in there. You might take a bath in there. I don't know. And here comes Shelly. She's dipping in.
Get out of here. Don't double dip. Don't you double dip.
I'm not double dipping. I love cheese. Okay.
Charlie looked at me and said, what is wrong with you two?
This recipe that we're not going to get through is on the website. This is the rise dough, and what you can do after you do it is you can just roll it up and make it into a cute little football size. The really important part to make it pretzely is this is baking soda and hot water. I'm not gonna try to burn anybody. And what you do is you dip the dough in. So that's how you get the brown.
Okay, perfect.
That's how you get the brown part. That's probably the most important thing I'm gonna tell you today.
People always want to get the right consistency. They're very picky about their consistency with their pretzels.
Yes. And this is a soft pretzel.
Okay.
And you let it sit in there for about 20, 30 seconds. You put it on the baking sheet and you can do them all up and they'll look just like this and you can dip away.
Yum, yum.
Yeah.
See, I can hold that for you.
Oh, you can?
Right.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
There you go.
And we just pop it on there.
Can some of these things you can kind of make ahead and get ready? So you don't want to be doing all this during your party.
I made the pretzels actually yesterday and I froze them and then I just popped them in the oven.
I love it. All that stuff you can make ahead and prepare. And do you recommend like this stuff that you do that day of, or can you also...
I made that cheese the day 2 days
and
ago,
it's
and
delicious.
Shelly seemed to enjoy it.
Yeah, Charlie was like eating while we were talking
Yes,
over it. Oh, she's
so-
back.
Here we go.
Stand by. Oh, it's so yummy. It doesn't even sound good.
This one's pretty good too.
Oh, I'm gonna this
Can
one's
dip
right
in that
out,
one. It's
right.
hot though. There you go. Yeah, it was really good. It's got some smoked paprika in here, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder. This is just flour, sugar, and salt, yeast with sugar and water, and it's ready to go. You can add this right in there, mix it all up, and this is going to become your pretzel dough. Let it rise for an hour, and it will turn into that.
Amazing. I mean,
Yeah.
honestly, it's amazing.
Super Bowl fun, everybody.
That's the kind of fun you want at your Super Bowl party. Am I right? Come on,
Yes.
if you're not laughing, then you're not having a good time.
Oh my
Everybody's
God.
doing this. See that?
Raul.
Looks like a helicopter whirring. What does that mean? I don't know. Thank you,
That's
sweetheart.
it.
Thank you.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Always fun having you. We'll be right back.
Yes.
You know, more laughter ahead.